There are several reasons why the Philippines may not need aircraft carriers. Limited budget. Aircraft carriers are extremely expensive to build, operate, and maintain. The Philippines, being a developing country, may not have the financial resources to invest in such a costly venture. Limited territorial waters. The Philippines is an archipelago nation consisting of more than 7,000 islands. The country's territorial waters cover a relatively small area compared to other countries with aircraft carriers. As such, it may not make sense for the Philippines to invest in a large, expensive naval asset when it can adequately defend its waters with other naval assets. Defensive rather than offensive military posture. The Philippines military is primarily defensive in nature, focused on protecting the country's territorial waters and land borders from external threats. It does not have the same global reach and offensive capabilities as other countries with aircraft carriers, such as the United States. Cooperation with allies. The Philippines has cooperative agreements with several countries, including the United States and Japan, which have their own aircraft carriers. In the event of a security threat in the region, these allies can provide support and assistance to the Philippines. Modern warfare. Aircraft carriers have historically been a key element in naval warfare, but modern warfare is rapidly changing with the development of new technologies, such as drones and missiles. As such, investing in an expensive and traditional asset like an aircraft carrier may not be the most effective use of resources for the Philippines. Overall, while an aircraft carrier can provide significant military capabilities, it may not be the most practical investment for the Philippines given its limited budget, defensive posture, and cooperative agreements with allies.